Good morning. How are you, students? You're fine. Okay. So, I think you're happy now. Okay. So, that in order to listen the class with calm and quiet, so we have to refresh our thoughts. So for this we have to do some exercise. Okay. So all of you close your eyes very slowly. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Open your eyes slowly, very slowly. Okay. So we can start, or we are going to start our new chapter, that is diseases. Okay. Fifth chapter, that is diseases. Okay. So diseases. You are very familiar with the word diseases, isn't it? Okay, you are very familiar. You hear the word diseases. Okay, in our daily life, we hear that the disease, isn't it? So corona is this. Affected by the virus corona. Okay. In that we are going to what do we understand? What do we mean by a disease, and how is the disease formed or caused? Okay. How does the disease come? Okay, so what is the reason for the diseases? That are the things we are going to understand. We are going to understand in this lesson. Okay, so the name of the chapter is what? Diseases. Diseases. So all of you take textbook, page number 212. Okay. So first paragraph, a condition in which certain functions of a body get disturbed, or some part of the body do not function properly, is called a disease. Okay, a condition in which, condition means a situation, okay, in which certain functions, okay, certain means some, function means some work, okay, anything, some action, some use, some rule, okay, of what? Of body. Okay, our body has to do so many things. Okay, function means things, function means work, function means use. Okay, our body has to do so many things in our daily life. Okay, so this work of body get disturbed. Okay, work of function of body means work of body, action of body, action of body or work of the body. We are doing so many things. We are walking, we are running, okay, we are driving, isn't it? So many things. We are eating, we are throwing out the waste material from our body. Okay, we are bathing, we are taking baths. So many things we are doing in our daily life. Okay, we are breathing, okay, so we are talking, we are listening, we see, we hear. So many things we are doing in our daily life. So these things that we are doing in our daily life is called what? Functions. So these functions, okay, so which organ helps us to take breaths? Lungs. Okay, so what is the function of lungs? To help us. Okay, lungs helps or lungs help us to take breath. So what is the function of lungs? Helps us to take breaths. Okay, what is the function of kidneys? Kidneys filter, okay, the unwatered, filter the blood, purify the blood. Okay, so this is the function of, this is the work of lungs and kidney. Okay, so many organs are there. Okay, we are talking, we are running, sorry, we are walking, we are running by using our legs. So action of work of leg is what? Legs help us to walk, to run, to go here and there. Okay, so our body has to do so many things in our daily life. So this action, these things of body will be disturbed. Disturbed means damaged. This function will not work properly. Okay, this function of body will not work correctly. This condition is called what? Disease. Okay, we are doing so many things in our daily life. Okay, we are breathing, we are talking, we are here, we hear, we see, so many things we are doing. Okay, so these things, what? Walking, running, breathing, see, hear, okay, smell. So these things do not work properly, do not run properly. This condition is called what? Disease. Okay, suppose we have a fever. Suppose we cannot talk properly, we cannot walk properly, we cannot run. Okay, we cannot even walk, we cannot even talk. Okay, so we will always we will be always on the bed. Okay, so this is what? Disease. Our daily works, daily things will be disturbed, will not work properly. The things that we are doing daily will not go properly. This condition, this situation is called what? Disease. Okay, so certain function of our body, okay, certain means some action of our body, some work of our body get disturbed, get damaged. Okay, get disturbed means will not work properly, or some part of body do not function properly, some part of the body. Okay, if we have injury, okay, if we have injury or any harm, any wound in our hand, so the body part hand will not work properly. We cannot do, suppose there is a injury on our right hand, okay, so we cannot write, we cannot take things, okay, we cannot carry things, understand, we cannot use the right hand properly, correctly, understand. So this condition is called what? Disease. Okay, if we have an injury, suppose in our hand, we cannot move hand, okay, we cannot take anything by using this hand, understand. So we can say that our hand, right hand does not work properly. Hand is a part of body, so this part of body, the right hand is a part of body which does not work properly, because this right hand has an injury on it. So injury is a disease, understand, fever is a disease, understand. So suppose we have stomach pain, stomach is an organ, stomach is an organ, stomach is a part of body. Suppose we have stomach pain, so we cannot eat foods, okay, so we cannot breathe properly. So if you have any disease, our part of the body do not work properly, this is called what? Disease. So disease is a condition in which our body part cannot work properly, or our body does not work correctly. Our body part, our body does not work correctly, understand. This condition is called what? Disease, understand. This condition is called what? Disease. Okay.